Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to eat multivitamin tablets easily. First, select a multivitamin that aligns with your specific dietary requirements. Always take your multivitamin with a meal. This significantly aids in absorption and reduces the chance of stomach upset. Finally, ensure you drink a full glass of water when you swallow the tablet. This simple method makes the process much smoother and more effective for your body. If you find swallowing tablets challenging, try this technique. Place the tablet on your tongue, then take a sip of water and tilt your head forward slightly. This helps the tablet float to the back of your throat, making it easier to swallow. Alternatively, many brands offer smaller tablets or even chewable versions, which can be a great solution if you consistently struggle with larger pills. Don't let swallowing difficulty deter you from essential nutrients. For optimal benefits, consistency is key. Try to take your multivitamin at the same time every day, perhaps with breakfast or dinner, to establish a routine. Remember, taking them on an empty stomach can sometimes lead to nausea, so always pair it with food. If you ever experience any discomfort, digestive issues, or unusual side effects, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's the right supplement for you. To ensure your multivitamins remain effective, proper storage is crucial. Always keep them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and excessive heat, which can degrade their potency. Before taking any tablet, make sure to check the expiration date on the bottle. Expired supplements may not provide the intended benefits. And speaking of reading, if you love to read anywhere, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link for that, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Enjoy your reading and stay healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.